हमें चाणक्यों को और सदस्यों को जमीन पे उतारना पड़ेगा, उनका तो भविष्य बदलने वाला है। दे विल बी फ्री फ्रॉम द कॉलोनियल रूल। दिस बास्टर्ड जो है ना पॉलिटिशियन, दे आर थ्रस्ट द ब्लडी कॉलोनियल एक्सप्लॉइटिव ऑपरेसिव इंसल्टिंग जो है ना एक्ट ऑन देम। कोर्ट कहती है फलाने फलाने हाजिर हो जाएं, जेल में जाते हो तो साला आपको जो है ना नंगा करके जो है ना वहां पे आपकी तलाशी ली जाती है। बट दिस नॉनसेंस हैपनिंग। Any Tom, Dick, and Harry can arrest you. Do you know? A cop, without assigning any reason, could chartered accountant Mr. Harish can be arrested at the pleasure of my cop. Do you know this fact or not? This kind of the brutal power has been. It is with us, and you will be having only one option to get your bail. Why? Why that those kind of the law should exist in institute? I am asking why this kind of the law should exist. कब जागेंगे हरीश? You are killing my time. And 10th के बाद भी कुछ नहीं होगा.
Sir,
because you are not putting that kind of the energy.
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट. Now, लोग सिर्फ कुटुंब ऐप से जुड़े हैं वही मायने रखता है या किसी और से और तरीके से
कुटुंब ऐप से जुड़ेगा तो it will give me the opportunity to assign them Chandragupta. If they are not through the they are not in counting. They cannot be given the credit of Chandragupta because Chandragupta credit will come how many persons has been aided. So they may be helping, they might be sending my message, they might be forwarding, but उन्हें बदले में कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. They will not be even recognized member. There is no question of becoming their Chandraguptas. They might have sent my message to the crores and crore people, but उनको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा उससे. Are you getting me?
हाँ sir.
If they will do it, it will come on record. They will by adding one person, they will immediately be called mohalla officer, then town officer, then block officer, then district officer, then state officer, then national officer, and thereafter they will be in the journey of the Chandraguptas. But if they are not joining through, they will be out of the journey. They may be helping out from outside. I am fine with that. If some people are doing it, but वो कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं मालूम होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर वो कर रहे हैं. एक आदमी जुड़ता है तो मुझे तत्काल जानकारी मिलती है. Are you getting me?
हाँ sir.
So please don't kill my time. Now you can tell me the advice which you were giving to me, and because I feel that let's prioritize. My priority is first to speak to the people.